sky of the future may be filled with intelligent flying machines. Autonomous drones are already transforming how we move, work, monitor, and explore our world. From the first powered aircraft to today's autonomous drones, aviation has evolved dramatically. The next revolution may be smaller, smarter, and completely autonomous. A drone is an aircraft that can fly without a pilot physically inside it. Cameras, sensors, computers, and navigation systems allow it to operate with increasing independence. Modern drones can see and measure their surroundings using cameras, LiDAR, radar, and other sensors. Together, these technologies help them understand the world around them. Artificial intelligence takes drones a step further. Instead of simply following commands, intelligent drones can recognize objects, analyze environments, and make navigation decisions. An autonomous drone can calculate its route while avoiding buildings, cranes, birds, and other obstacles. This could make future aerial operations faster and safer. Imagine ordering a package and having it arrive through the sky. Delivery drones could transport small items directly from distribution centers to homes and local delivery stations. Large logistics hubs could eventually coordinate fleets of drones automatically. Packages would be sorted, loaded, launched, and delivered with minimal human intervention. In smart cities, drones could monitor infrastructure, traffic, public spaces, and environmental conditions. They could provide information that helps cities respond faster to problems. Instead of relying only on cameras attached to buildings, cities could use drones to observe traffic from above, identify congestion, and provide real-time information to transportation systems. After hurricanes, floods, earthquakes, or other disasters, drones can reach dangerous areas quickly. They can provide critical information before rescue teams enter the scene. Search and rescue drones can scan enormous areas using cameras and thermal sensors. In difficult terrain, they may help rescuers locate missing people much faster. After a disaster, aerial drones can map damaged roads, buildings, and flooded neighborhoods. Their information can help emergency teams decide where assistance is needed most. Firefighting drones could fly above dangerous wildfires, using thermal sensors to identify hidden hotspots. This allows firefighters to understand the fire, while reducing unnecessary exposure to danger. Agriculture is another major field for drones. Flying over enormous farms, they can monitor crops, identify stressed plants, and help farmers manage resources more efficiently. Instead of treating an entire field equally, drones can identify specific areas that need water, nutrients, or attention. This approach can reduce waste and improve crop production. Drones can also protect forests by monitoring huge areas that would be difficult to inspect from the ground. They can detect environmental changes, damaged trees, and signs of illegal activity. Conservation teams can use quiet drones to observe wildlife from a safe distance. This technology can help researchers understand animal movements without disturbing natural behavior. Drones are beginning to expand into marine research as well. Autonomous aerial and surface systems can monitor ocean conditions, pollution, and environmental changes across vast areas. Underwater drones can travel where humans cannot easily go. Equipped with cameras and sensors, they can explore deep environments, inspect ecosystems, and study the ocean floor. Inspecting bridges can be dangerous and expensive. Drones can fly close to towers, cables, and structural components, capturing detailed images without putting workers at unnecessary risk. Electrical transmission networks stretch across enormous distances. Autonomous drones could inspect towers and cables continuously, helping identify damage before it becomes a major failure. Wind turbines are enormous structures that can be difficult to inspect manually. Specialized drones can examine their blades for cracks and damage with remarkable precision. Construction companies can use drone fleets to survey large projects from above. Regular aerial data can help engineers monitor progress, equipment, and changes across the site. By combining thousands of aerial measurements, drones can create detailed three-dimensional maps. These digital models can transform how engineers, scientists, and planners understand physical landscapes. In remote regions, drones could deliver vaccines, blood, medicines, and other medical supplies. For isolated clinics, a flight through the sky could save valuable time. Villages separated by mountains, rivers, or poor roads could benefit from autonomous delivery networks. Essential supplies could arrive without waiting for difficult ground transportation. The future may involve not just individual drones, but coordinated swarms. Hundreds of small aircraft could communicate, move together, and divide complex tasks among themselves. Artificial intelligence could allow entire fleets to coordinate their movements. Each drone could understand its own mission while communicating with others to avoid collisions and improve efficiency. Larger autonomous electric aircraft could eventually carry passengers across cities. Instead of sitting in traffic, people might travel between specially designed rooftop landing platforms. Drone taxis are still developing, but the concept is becoming technically possible. Electric vertical aircraft could one day provide a new form of urban transportation. Future logistics centers could operate almost like airports for autonomous drones. Robotic systems would organize packages, while fleets launch continuously toward different destinations. Battery technology remains a major challenge. Automated charging and battery swapping stations could allow drones to return, recharge, and quickly return to the sky. Some high-altitude drones may stay airborne for extremely long periods using solar energy. Their applications could include communication, environmental monitoring, and scientific research. High-altitude drones could collect atmospheric data over glaciers, oceans, and remote regions. This information could help scientists better understand our changing planet. The drone concept may eventually leave Earth entirely. Flying robots could explore the atmospheres and surfaces of other worlds, expanding humanity's ability to investigate distant environments. From active volcanoes to radioactive or chemically hazardous areas, autonomous drones can enter environments too dangerous for humans. They become our eyes and sensors where people cannot safely go. The future is unlikely to be humans versus machines. Instead, farmers, engineers, scientists, firefighters, and rescue workers may use drones as intelligent tools that extend human capabilities. But autonomous skies will bring challenges. Strong winds, limited batteries, obstacles, crowded airspace, technical failures, and unpredictable conditions must all be carefully managed. As drone numbers increase, aviation authorities will need new systems to manage the skies. Safe flight rules, identification systems, and automated air traffic management will become increasingly important. Imagine a city where delivery drones, emergency aircraft, inspection systems, and passenger vehicles share the sky safely. Such a future could make transportation faster, cleaner, and more connected. From simple remote-controlled aircraft to intelligent autonomous machines, drones are changing the meaning of flight. The future sky may not belong only to airplanes and helicopters.